characterized by appearance of plaques or thickening of tunica, the covering of cavernosa. When there is thickening, that part of the tunica becomes inelastic, inexpansile. As a result, when the penis goes into erection, the part which doesn't expand, the penis bends towards that side. So these plaques can be single plaques of variable size, or they can be present in both the corpora, and they can also be present at multiple sites. So what is Peyronie's disease and what is the cause of it? So Peyronie's disease, the cause is usually undetermined, but various mechanisms have been proposed. So most common mechanism is injury to the elastic fibers of the tunica, which happens during sexual activity or masturbation, as a result of which there is an inflammatory process which starts in tunica, which leads to thickening of tunica and further deposition of calcium in tunica, which makes it thick and inelastic. The good part about Peyronie's disease is that in most of the patients, this disease does not lead to any permanent deformities or a kind of deformity which will require a surgical correction. So Peyronie's disease has two phases. One is active phase, and second is a quiescent or stable phase. Active phase can last from as short as 6 months to as long as 2 years. During the active phase, patient might experience enlargement of the plaques, thickening of the plaques, pain in plaques, pain during erections, or kind of discomfort in the penis. So slowly, as the disease dies out and it has a self-limiting course, these symptoms of pain and deformity, they start decreasing or they finish. Usually after about a period of 2 years, in about 40% of the patients, the disease remains stable. Whatever deformity has occurred, that remains the same. In about 40% of the patients, there is improvement in symptoms or improvement in deformity. Only in about 20% of the patients, the disease can further worsen and lead to aggravation of deformities. For any further information, do write to us. Thank you so much.